Hello, today we're going to review how to solve absolute value equations. Recall that absolute value is the distance from zero. So the distance from zero. So I need to find values, and it's written like this with these big bars. So this is saying what numbers have a distance from zero equal to 5. So here's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So obviously 5 is 5 units away from 0. Negative 5 is also 5 units away from 0 because we measure distance in positive values. So my answers are x equals 5 and x equals negative 5. All right, number 2. I need to find answers for x here, so that I have a value inside of here that would be 7 units away from 0 on the number line. So I could have a positive 7 in there, right? Because 7 is 7 units away from 0 on the number line. And I could have a negative 7 in there, because negative 7 is also 7 units away from 0 on the number line. So absolute value equations will turn into two problems. One with a positive 7, one with a negative 7. Notice though that the stuff inside stays the same. So it's x minus 4 inside of here, so x minus 4 in both equations. Then we go ahead and solve. So x equals 11 is one answer, and x equals negative 3 is another answer. So if I check 11 minus 4 is 7, and 7 is 7 units away from 0 on the number line. If I try negative 3 minus 4 is negative 7, and negative 7 is 7 units away from 0 on the number line, so these two are correct. Third one, x equals negative 10. Absolute value of x equals negative 10. As we stated, we cannot have a negative distance. So no solution. All right, this one over here. The absolute value of 3x plus 2 equals 8. So again, I need 8 units away on both sides. So I could have a positive 8 inside of there, and I could have a negative 8 inside of there. Do our algebra skills. So this one's 3x equals negative 10. This one's 3x equals 6. Divide everybody by 3. X equals 2, and x equals negative 10/3. There we go. All right, two other types of problems that you may see. Sometimes the absolute value is not by itself, so I have to get it by itself before I can do anything. Negative 4 is being multiplied by this, so we're going to divide by negative 4, both sides. This cancels out. So I end up with the absolute value of 2x minus 1 equals negative 8 divided by negative 4 is 2. And now I'm going to go ahead and set up both of my equations, because I could have 2 inside of there, that's 2 units away, and I could have negative 2 inside of there. That is negative 2 units away. I'm sorry that it's not any clearer than it is. It's kind of blurry. I'm trying to autofocus it. There, that's a little better. Okay, so now I'm going to add 1 everywhere. 2x equals 3. 2x equals negative 1. Divide everybody by 2. X is 1.5. You could leave it as 3 over 2. Or x is negative 1/2. Negative 0.5. All right, last problem. Again, we want to get the absolute value by itself. So first thing I'm going to do is add 6. So 5, absolute value 3x plus 1 equals 30. Then I'm going to divide by 5. And now I'm going to set up my two problems. 3x plus 1 equals 6. 3x plus 1 equals negative 6. Divide everybody by 3. So x equals 5/3 and x equals -7/3. And there you go. That is solving absolute value equations. Thank you.